Why is it so bright? I think that's better. Hello, welcome to another video. I'm gonna clean. That's it. I don't really have anything to say. I don't think. Yeah. Let's get started. My rabbit has messed up. Well, messed up. So has made a mess. Basically, what I'm trying to say. That's pretty messy, I would say. And then I have to change my bed sheets. I have these cute ones that I'm gonna do, and I have some stuff over there to put away and just like kind of sweep. I feel like I always start with my bed. Let's do something different today. Let's be brave. Let's be fucking brave. I'm gonna put away stuff. There's so much shit just laying around. As I'm filming with my new camera, so let me know what you think. It's easier to get a bigger picture, I guess, like of what's going on around me. Like you can see everything. I'm in my mom's car. Fucking hell. I didn't know I was gonna go that room. That was an insane amount of room. I've never seen that amount of room ever in my life. Oh my god. Just gonna put this away. I don't think I have any more dishes in there. No. Oh, this one as well. Anything else? No. Bringing dishes up in here. Oh no. Oh my god. Let me know if you prefer this camera over the other one, or you don't care, or you like both. I mean, both are good for different things. This one is more good for like if I'm moving around a lot, or if I'm vlogging, filming at the gym, that kind of stuff. But sit down videos and sit down talk videos. Probably my other cameras, but better for that. I can't really do anything about this cable, like it's ugly, but I need to charge my computer, so what to do? It's just better if I maybe put it like this. Like a little, it looks slightly better. What else? Yeah, that's it. Oh jeez, it's very bright. Oh yeah, I got a... Wait, did I say this already? I got these around my bed. Is it way too bright again? I don't know. No, I think it might be good. Instead of, the fan might be annoying. You know what? I'm gonna put you up there. You know what I need to do? This thing came off that covers the fan, and I haven't done that yet. Like, it came off like fucking a month ago or something. So I'm gonna put it back on. Alright, it's kind of annoying actually. There's a screw here. It's so no wonder I've been procrastinating, because it's so fucking annoying. Oh, You don't have to get it, but I do. Don't worry. Oh yeah. That hits the spot. Wait, no, actually not yet. I'm gonna just fasten it, I guess. No, why the fuck is it coming off? Oh, my nail just fell off. There. Wait, no, I'm scared to say. Oh my god, did I do it? Yes, please, I did it. Yes. Anyways, continue. I just used the Canon to try to reach something. It worked. It fucking worked. I usually always listen to something when I clean. Like true crime, YouTube drama. I don't know, I'm feeling kind of chill right now. Alright. My camera stopped recording, it was full space. And I lowered the, because it was a little slightly too bright in the camera. So I lowered that a little bit. You wonder why it looks different? Oh, actually, is my camera moving because the fan is on it? I didn't think about that. Sorry. There's a bunch of little letters in my bed because of meanings. Took like 5 years. I had these in my hair last night. Yeah, didn't really hold on so much. This curls, I mean. I keep forgetting I have 2 laptops. Like, I keep forgetting about this one, but this one's cute. I should do that to the other one too. Also, someone bought me a mini JBL speaker on my throne wish list, but I don't know who it is because it said anonymous. So if anyone, if you're watching this and you want it from me, please message me on Instagram's mish.youtube. Cause I mean, you don't have to. You can be anonymous, but it'd be nice to know who it is. Thank you, by the way. I tried it, it's really good for being like a mini. I have a bigger one, but I've always wanted a small one. So easier to bring with me and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna sweep the stuff that my vacuum cleaner is not good at picking up. So like hay and stuff, her little poopies. I'll just sweep. And I'll bring out the vacuum cleaner later. This go in the wash. Okay, I just finished vacuum cleaning and my room is clean. Thank you for watching and let me know what you think of this camera. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, mish.youtube, and my smart channel, mish.youtube, and I'll see you next time. Bye.